Hey, how's everybody doing today? Jomo Jones, Jones Business Credit Services, Jones Tax Services, Corporate Capital Financial Services, Birthright Property Management, coming right back at you on this project that we did a video about back in last year, October. I just want to give you a heads up. Whenever you're doing these flips, make sure that your paperwork is secure with your contractors. Make sure that you have an agreement with your contractors, and make sure that your contractors are doing the work according to the agreement that you gave them. This project here was held up for 5 months, but we finally got it done. So we just want to show you what we've done so far and let you know all the amazing details of this renovation. Let's go ahead on. As you can see here, we've already did our landscaping. The landscaping portion is done on this particular property here. We decided to go with a gray siding. This one here is the gray siding that we decided to go with, and also we trimmed it with black metal. We had so many people tell us, don't do that. Don't trim it in black. It's gonna be ugly. But we stuck to our guns, and look at how beautiful it looks. Also, we got new brickwork done to the porch. There was some bricks that weren't aligned properly. We had custom steel rails here, custom built on this here. And also on the porch, we put up new beams and also new railing on the front side. New wood on the porch. The front porch totally redone. As you can see how big this front porch is. This was a lot of fun. New lighting on the front porch. And we decided to go with this particular stain of brown on the front. New door. You can see the old stuff on the property on the video right beside it, because I got both videos posted, the before and I have now the after. Let's take a look on the inside. As you can see, fresh paint all over. We had paint all over, brand new doors. Also paint over the fireplace area. Brand new doors over here. Fresh paints, floors redone, totally. New ceiling fan, new lights on this here. Also in the dining room area, new windows. These windows that we did for this particular property, they don't make this size windows, so these windows had to be custom made. And it costs a lot when you're getting custom made windows done, but it made the house so much more beautiful. You can see here, a lot of natural light. Cutting the lights on, we got new chandeliers. That really set it off. Again, the flooring. I don't know if you remember this, but this was a wall with a slim door. We knocked this wall totally out and created this space for the kitchen. New cabinets. New cabinets. Also, these cabinets were stained. New countertops. New flooring. This is a white, a dovetail flooring that was done. Beautiful, beautiful flooring. Now, I don't know if you remember, there was a wall here with a little small walkway area, and the kitchen started here. But we knocked that wall completely out and expanded our kitchen all the way back to here. And as you can see, the countertops and the cabinetry on the kitchen area. We got the appliances, microwave top hood. Also a washroom area back here on the back side with cabinets. New sinks right here. Everybody's going with the bigger sinks now. This is something that I like personally. Also, new dishwasher. Just follow me back on around here. Let me see each room that we did. This room right here, flooring stripped down, sanded down, refinished, fresh paint. Also, new ceiling fans. You see the window area, look at all this bright light. This will be a nice office area as well. Going to the next bedroom. Same thing, fresh paint, new ceiling fans. We added this closet right here. There was only one closet in this property, but we knocked out the wall from the other side and created this closet space to give it more space. That's always a plus. They like to shop like my wife do. Also, new bathroom. As you can see, these beautiful lights right here in the bathroom area. And one of my favorite features in this bathroom are the Bluetooth speakers. These lights right here are Bluetooth speakers, so it can connect to your phone while you're showering, while you're using the restroom. You can sit here and listen to your favorite motivational speakers, your favorite gospel music, your favorite whatever kind of you want to listen to. That's a great feature. Also, new lighting. New vanity, new toilet, new flooring, new tile. And we got the black appliances on the shower. Show them the black appliances on the shower. Real beauty right here. Coming out. Also in this room right here, look how beautiful these floors look. Floors are beautiful. Fresh paint, new ceiling fans. This was a door. And what we did was we closed off this door. We created this custom shelf space right here. So this can be a bookshelf, pictures, or whatever the case may be. All right. One of my favorites. This is the master bedroom. Plenty of space, high ceilings, new ceiling fans. The floors look fantastic. But whenever you look at the old video, which is going to be right beside, like I said before, you're going to see what this bathroom is like. This bathroom had a sink and a toilet. That's it. Sink and a toilet. What we did was we knocked out this wall and added this custom shower. Check it out. Custom shower with the towel. Also, look at the finish, the rocks in the floor. Plenty of space in this shower area right here. This is a lot of fun doing this shower. New vanities, new lighting. Also, the Bluetooth speaker up top as well. Okay. Also, we added another closet. The only closet that this property had was this closet. But what we did was we took space from the hallway and we added this extra closet right here. So we got more closet space now in the master bedroom. Hallway area. Floors redone, fresh paint, professionally done. Had a great crew come in. Took them 3 days to do my painting. They prepped everything. They prepped all the work. They covered up all the lightings. They covered up all the ceiling fans. I'm telling y'all, make sure that you're dealing with the right people because you can lose a lot of time and a lot of money when you're doing these renovations and doing these flips. You lose a lot of time and money when you don't have the right people in place. So make sure you have the right people in place. That's about it concludes. I am going to show you some of the railing that we got. Also, new tile on the fireplace. That fireplace area did not have that tile. New door here, like I said. Right here, we built these steps right here and put a custom railing on the steps. Once again, over here on the side, y'all can see the beautiful custom windows, the beautiful gray siding with the black trim metal. New roof all over. Got a totally new roof on this property. This side. Also on the back porch area, we added the double side custom rails. These rails are custom. This company that came out here and did these, they're very professional. They do great work. So if you want to reach out to me, you want some custom rails, hey, holler at me. I'll give you the information. Also, this storage room was created. It's locked up right now. Brand new door. This area here. And man, let me tell you, don't forget about this big 2-ton heating and air conditioning that was added. Now this is huge. This is going to cut back on their energy, their power bill. It's more energy efficient and it pumps out. Let me tell you, backyard all cleared up. There was an old storage house here. We just threw the storage house down. They can put another storage house here, or they can use this area just to hang out, cook out, grill, etc., etc. It's a lot of fun doing this project, a lot of challenges, and a lot of things that we learned by doing this. Two down some stuff, two down some trees. Brand new beam posts right here. The new posts here. We put this house on the market, and within 6 hours, we had about 5 offers on this particular property. This market right now is a great opportunity for a lot of people to, indulge in flipping, but you want to make sure that you have a strategic plan and a strategic team that knows what they're doing. Don't spin wheels with people. Make sure your contracts are tight. Make sure that you're specific and there's clarity on what you want done. Don't waste your time with people. I never waste my time like I did with this particular property. But the old saying, if you do better, you do better. And how can the blind lead the blind? At least they both end up in the ditch. I was blind in some areas as well. So once again, here it is. Beautiful home, totally renovated. Great condition. Jones Tax Services, Jones Business Credit Services, Corporate Capital Financial Services, Birthright Property Management. And guess what, y'all? This is for motivational purposes only. Have a blessed day.